Alright, today we're going to get this Cherry Tiggo 7 Pro started again by replacing the battery. This sleek SUV is loaded with tech from its infotainment system to advanced sensors. And all of that gadgetry relies on a solid power source. If your Tiggo's been feeling sluggish or struggling to start, chances are it's time for a new battery. Let's go through the process step by step. First, we need to remove the engine cover. This part can be a bit of hassle. There are about 10 pieces of 10mm bolt and 9 plastic pins holding it in place. I know it feels like way too many fasteners just for a simple battery replacement, but that's how the Tiggo 7 Pro is designed. Take your time and carefully set aside each bolt and pin so you don't lose any. Once the cover is out of the way, the battery is finally accessible. You'll see the terminals and the hold-down bracket that secures it in place. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first to avoid short circuits. Then remove the positive terminal. After that, loosen the battery clamps or brackets so the battery can be lifted out safely. Now, place the new battery in the tray. Making sure it sits firmly, reinstall the hold-down bracket, then reconnect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. This sequence helps prevent accidental sparks. With the battery secured, put the engine cover back on, reinstalling all those bolts and pins you'd removed earlier. It takes a bit of patience, but once it's done, everything will look neat and factory fresh. And that's it, the Cherry Tiggo 7 Pro is ready to fire up with a brand new battery. While it takes a little more work compared to other cars, doing it yourself saves money and give you satisfaction of knowing it's done right.